So me and my brother going to the car wash because it's been snowing. First it was hot, then it was cold. Then it's hot again, decent. So type of car wash. This boy needs a car wash. And my exhaust is to be done, but you guys probably see all the dirt.
Yeah, it really does
dirty.
car wash.
This boy is dirty. Like the lights, everything is dirty. Like everything. The rims, these nice black rims have salt. It's just mud flaps. It's just messy. So that's where I'm right now. Hold on. So I'm gonna set you guys up in the mount. Like I did the other video. Yeah. Hold on. Yeah. Take this off. Anything is tight. Dang. Anything is tight. There we go. It's gonna flip. It's gonna like it's gonna fall down. We're good. We're solid. Get out of here. Take this. It's gonna look funny for a second because I gotta put this in here, but you already are in it, weirdo.
Hey. No. That's the thing that you left for.
Most important. Okay. Here we go. Car's finally. Here, look. In here, you can watch what we're doing. Why did it skip?
I'm gonna ask you to skip.
Here. Hold this. When it loads up, you'll see the camera. Wait for it. There you go.
Wait, it's not moving. Oh no, it is.
Cut this video up and edit it, put it together and whatnot, but I'm gonna show you what the car looks like at the house, because you can't really see it here, but like right about the house I can show you guys what it looks like. So yeah, now I can do the oh, I have to put the towels inside too. Yeah, go ahead, dude, take your time. I don't even see from this. I have to go on this side. You can probably see it better. It's like all that dirt you saw in the front. Gone. Gone. Everything is clean. You guys, you see the rims now. Real this time. It's really dark. But, yeah. Cleaned. Cleaned.
Oh, it is really
It
clean.
was really clean.
I can see myself.
Ciao. Ooh. Boy's clean. Y'all saw how the spoiler looked, man? It's so jank, but I'll do it at a different day. Alright. But yeah, it's been cool today. On the house, dude. Yeah. First of the year. Hopefully it gets up today, on January 1st. It's like 5 o'clock and it's dark, but yeah, that's what I do. So yeah. Peace out, y'all.